Hello everyone, this is a short video on how you can use an online compiler to write a simple C++ program. You can then save your work into a main.cpp file and then download that file to your computer so that it can then be re-uploaded into Canvas for grading. Now if you have a different compiler that you'd like to use, you're welcome to use that in the class. You just need to know where your main.cpp file is being saved. So I'm assuming that if you're going to use a different compiler that you know how to do that. So I am going to go ahead and start by going to Google, and we're going to start by opening up a compiler. So you're going to do a search for online C++ compiler, and first thing that comes up in the list is the one that I'll be showing you. It's this one called onlinegdb.com. So you may get different results. If not, you can just use the URL there, onlinegdb.com. It's going to create a simple text editor for you here in the center. And you can see that it's already preloaded some code, a simple hello world program. Now for you, when you do your own work, you should replace the comment here with your name so that you can make sure and get your points. You could also, if you want to, optionally include what lesson you're working on. So for example, your guys' first project is going to be lesson 6, project number 1. Okay, to run the program, you just click on this run button right here, and the bottom of the screen is a little virtual output console. You can see it's doing what we told it to do. It's printing hello world, finish program with code 0. Alright, so you press enter to close the little virtual console, and let's say that you want to save your work now and then upload it for grading. You're going to click here on the save button, and you're going to have one of the following accounts. Now I already have a Google account, so I'm going to use Google. You can create a Google account for free by going over to Google and doing that. So I am going to log in using my account and supply my password, and then give this project a name, and then save it. And you'll see it listed over here now as your project. Okay, you can always, so now what essentially happened is you created an account for OnlineGDB, and anytime you come back and log in, you're going to always see all of your work listed over here. You can also click on the My Projects link to see a list of all your different C++ assignments as well. Alright, so I'm going to download my work, and there's a couple different ways you can do that. If you're already looking at it, you can click here on download code, choose where you want to save it. I'm going to go ahead and just drop it right onto my computer's desktop. Notice that it's saving it as main.cpp. Alright, and then next I need to open up Canvas. So we can do that by going to the college website, mvc.edu, and then scroll down here where it says online hybrid classes, and then log in to Canvas. You should open up into the Canvas dashboard, and you'll look for our class, CIS 17A. And then to submit your work, I'm going to go ahead and make this look like it's going to look for you guys. So I'm going to put this in student view. And you can either click here on the assignments link, or you can scroll down, and down here is going to be where all your assignments are that are going to be due. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on assignments. Alright, here's where all the different things that we're going to be doing over the semester will be listed. So from here you're going to click on lesson 6, project number 1. And we'll see some basic information here about it. There's a hyperlink that'll take you right to the lesson from the class website that gives you all the different things that you're supposed to do. So you can use that to figure out what you're supposed to do. You can also get all the assigned reading from that, and that of course comes from the textbook, which is linked to on the home page. Alright, but going back to submitting your work, next you're just going to click here on Submit Assignment. And down here, you're going to click on Choose File, and then browse to wherever you saved your work. See, there's the main.cpp that I downloaded from that online compiler, and that's it. You'll see the name of the file here, and just click on Submit Assignment. If there's anything you want to tell me, you can go ahead and add a comment to your submission, and then go ahead and just click on Submit Assignment. And then you should get a confirmation message here that says Submitted. And you can always download your work to take a look at it. You can also resubmit if you realize that you did something wrong by clicking here. And that's it. That's how you're going to submit your work for grading in the class.